What's up, YouTube? I am back? Question mark? I'm here again to unbox some shit. This is week whatever from Supreme. What drop is this? I don't even know what drop this is. But yeah, let's get into it. Quick video. I did get the jar, mason jar, I think it is, the 2 set, and hopefully they're not damaged. This box came damaged, so hopefully they're not damaged. I don't think it's in here. Maybe it's not in here. I don't know. Let's just open this one. Oh, this is the okay. Maybe it is in this box. Oh shit, 3. Holy fuck. 3 box logos in one? Question mark? That's gonna be the title. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, this is the that little water bottle. Like, I think it's ceramic or some shit like that. Sig. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh. Not too many people were on the new column, so they didn't see this. This is why I was able to get this. I think it sold out like it sold out pretty quickly, but not as quickly as it should have been, because I do think people are on the new instead of all, so they didn't see this because it's not gonna show up in the new because it already dropped before. So I was lucky on that one. Before the mason jars, let's get into this little thing. Let's get it out. Nothing in there. Two boxes. This is the L that I took. You don't know how badly I wanted a navy, extra large, but as you can see, it's a red and a small. You're probably thinking, how the fuck did you mess that up? Well, I'm not gonna tell you, but I fucked up. But this is the Gons logo. Fuck, what is it called? Jacket. Coach's jacket. There you go. That's pretty much it. It only has this embroidery on the front, and that's it. And then let's get into the mason jars. Oh, it comes in a box. Okay. Thank fuck. Fuck off. Imagine if it came broken. I would be upset. Just, oh, okay, 2. Okay. I was gonna say, just 1. Come on. But yeah, as you can see, jar set. Okay. Here's the first one. Supreme. That's the top. This is the second one. Just shorter than the first one. As you can see. ASMR. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my haul. All in one shot. Hold on. Oh. Red on red. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Red on red on red. Box logos. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. But that's it. Thank you very much for watching. As I am going to put this all away. I'm probably going to put these two on Grailed. Just to make up some money so I can buy the navy one. And then I don't need another water bottle. I did, because I got this one last season. And I do like this one way better than this one, to be honest. Because this one's more heavy duty. But yeah. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys. I don't even know if I'm gonna buy anything next week or this week's drop, so I'll see you whenever. I missed the button.